Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can add a payment method to your Shopify store. So the first thing that you need to do is click on settings. From here, you can go to payments. And since I'm in a development store, I can only process test payments. But I'll show you how you can add a payment method to your actual Shopify store. So there are multiple methods to do it. Either you can directly click on payment providers. So I'll click on choose a provider. And here I can see that I have multiple options to choose from. Stripe or Shopify payments is going to be the preferred method, but it's not allowed in all the countries, so do check the support before you activate this payment method. You can also activate other payment methods, so let me just quickly show you that as well. We'll go back and there's an option to connect PayPal, so I'll click on activate PayPal. And here once I click on activate PayPal, it will take me to the PayPal's website where I can log in with my account, I can give them all the details, and I can sign up using PayPal and accept payments using PayPal. So I'm not going to do that right now. Let me just go back. And here I have one more method, so I'll click on add payment method here. So here I can add a payment method actually by a method or by a provider. Let me show you both of them right away. So here if I click on credit card, you can see I get different credit card companies, and if I click on anyone, let's say Visa, there are different payment providers who are offering Visa credit card payment method. So I can select any one of them and accept payments using that particular method, or I'll just exit it from here, go to search by provider and search for a particular provider that I know or that I already have an account with, for example Razorpay. So I can click and connect my account with Razorpay. All I'll have to do is install their app, create my account and get connected with Razorpay. So this is how easy it is to connect a payment method to your Shopify store. If you have any questions regarding this, put them in the comments below and I'll help you out with it as soon as possible.